What is up, you guys? Beautiful Saturday afternoon here at Alpha Automotive. We just picked up a bunch of parts that we have ordered for several projects we have going on here. We got lowering springs in for the Boxster. We've got some grille trim surrounding chrome bezelization for the C10 short wide. We got floor mats for the short wide. We got honestly some other stuff. I don't even know what all it is. I forget what I order half the time. So we'll get that stuff unboxed, see what we have that fits and what doesn't. Maybe something's messed up, maybe something's wrong. Hopefully it's all good. Fingers crossy. We'll see.
This is your Dr. Novak. You've been very cold and unsupportive of our dreams.
You wrecked my fucking boat, you goon! I ain't paying a ball. Y'all be string like a broke guitar. That still put it down like a family dog. Yeah, I murdered some murder one. So clean it up, murder some. We ain't gotta sing the same old love song. Cut a white girl with the same old gloves on. Yeah, what you saying to it? Oh, you look me, you don't do it. Make them turn around and they laying like a UA and I'm looking back if I'm looking at a pretty back. What's the mess now? They put smoke niggas back them out, so we acted out. Hashtag fully right. Put a plus 18 on it. When I felt no beat right. Nah, you can't be. July. I'm sorry. I double dare you. I'm when the top of her arms. Cut niggas so good. Bonner get a crush on. I gotta wait long. Ain't nobody got time for that. I got a problem with that. Two true like two chains. Blue blood like you both gangs.
And then you sit down and you write Dale and Brennan a check for $10,000. Or I'm going to shove one of those fake hearing devices so far up your ass you can hear the sound of your small intestine as it produces shit.
Yeah. Dirk Rowinski in this motherfucker. All the haters hate every time I shine. I'm like, why they mad at me? Cause I'm on my grind. But I'm here to tell ya, you can do it too. But if you always roaching, I can't fool with you. Everywhere I go, it be a hater. But I can't see him, all I be seeing is the paper. If she don't give it up, this sucker gon' try to rape her. Oh, pedophile face ass nigga, you a faker. Oh, hate me, cause he ain't me ass nigga. I ain't rapping till you pay me ass nigga. You were laying on the couch, lazy ass nigga. What, boy, you must be crazy ass nigga. Blood, sweat, and tears just to get this far. I ain't never ever think I could get this car. Soon as I'm settled in, I be moving again. $250,000 down payment, I'ma do it again. Made it hard in the club and I'ma do it again. All the dancers leaving with me, I guess they choosing again. Going home.